I'd play the part.
So hey guys, good morning from Bangalore, and if you're guessing why I am in Bangalore today, so well, I've come here along with Nikhil for a work, actually a shoot to be more precise, and we cannot see anything about the shoot right now because it's quite confidential, and unless it's not out we cannot tell you guys what it's all about. So when the time is right and we have the permission to share it with you guys, we'll tell you why we came here to Bangalore. Hi. Oh my god, we're like just neighbors, almost neighbors. Hello. ये दिया उन लोग ने मुझे, अभी क्या करूं? ए, तू ये वाला रूम ले लेता फिर. So this is the best part. Nikhil and I are like एकदम आजू बाजू. We thought while we are here at Bangalore, let's stay at the Oberoi's because this is a wonderful hotel and we've heard great things about it. And then I was like, I'll get a topic to blog on, I'll get a topic to write a blog on, and also put Instagram pictures because this place is beautiful and you can click so many pictures. So yeah, right now we have to go down for breakfast, but before going for breakfast I'm going to give you a quick room tour because you need to see this room. It's amazing, and the best thing about this that it has a small walk-in wardrobe which I completely am in love with. So let me give you a quick room tour. Before I move on to the room tour, guys, just look at this balcony. It is so beautiful. I really wish I can have this kind of balcony with a view like this in my house because this is amazing. I mean, you feel so fresh and so nice when you wake up in the morning. You all of a sudden get so energetic. So I really love this view, and now without further ado, let's get into the room tour.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
So guys, we just come to have our breakfast now at this restaurant called Le Meridian, and which has an outside seating which is really cool. And look who's here finally, Nikhil. We were supposed to meet early actually, but we got late because this guy wanted to sleep more.
My bike चला गया. Obviously I was tired यार, and I didn't sleep only before the ride.
Yeah, I'm sure it's a 1,000-kilometer ride, so you must be tired.
Easy, 1,000 is easy. Bangalore is easy, but then I didn't sleep. Now that's the wedding. And come on, yeah, the bed here is like, it's mesmerizing. The moment
yeah,
you go,
it's damn nice. It's so comfy. Like you can just go to sleep aram se. So now we're just gonna eat our breakfast, and we
did you show them around?
I will show them around, obviously. So finally our breakfast is here. We both are eating the same breakfast. Just a little bit of scrambled eggs and mashed potatoes and some cherry. It's cherry, right? This?
Tomato.
Oh.
Baby tomato.
Oh, it's baby tomato. Sorry, it looks like cherries.
Wait here until your faith is shaking. There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind, and I know that.
we're done with our breakfast and we're going back to our rooms now because there's a lot to plan. Because there's a lot to do today, so we're gonna plan it out now. That should we go get our work done first, or should we shoot here first? So just planning that. Also, we're done taking pictures now, so we'll go to our room and chill for a bit. See you in a while. It's time to relax ourselves, literally, by getting some spa time. So we actually had some work outside, it got done, and now we thought we'd just relax ourselves a bit, so we're going to the spa room.
Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Is done with 75 minutes of spa and it was amazing. Like you can see my expression on my face already is changed. I feel so relaxed and so nice. These people literally have magic in their hands, and this was by far the best spa experience I had. And now I'm having this jasmine tea and yeah. So we're going through this cave because now it's time for dinner at this restaurant which is inside Oberoi, Bengaluru, called as Nimsam by the Water. What's the name of the restaurant? Sorry, Rimnam by the Water. And it has its entrance through the cave and then it goes like this. Finally it's time for dinner. I mean, to be honest, even I'm not that hungry because Nikhil got McDonald's for us, and I even have lost my appetite actually. So after traveling yesterday, so I just feel like I want to eat quite less. So I've ordered a soup and I'm ordering a cold beverage drink for both of us, and then just eat something really light and go to sleep. I just really want to rest my heart out today.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall.
Jose.
So my soup has finally arrived. It's called po take, something like that, and it smells so much like the sea, and it has prawns and mushrooms, like big pieces of prawns and mushrooms. So if you're a prawns fan, I'm sure you're gonna love this because it smells so good and I can't wait to have this. Time for some jasmine rice and Thai curry and flat rice noodles, and I'm excited to try Thai food because it's quite different than my normal taste buds, and yeah, so I'm excited to try it. Also guys, if you come to Oberoi, Bengaluru just to have your lunch or dinner, and actually dinner, and when you come to Rimnam by the Water, this restaurant is specialized in Thai food, so you'll get everything that is very Thai. So hey guys, good morning. This is our second day in Bangalore, and the time right now is 9 o'clock in the morning, and I just got done having my coffee, and Nikhil is planning to sleep till late today, so he told me to carry on with my stuff. So I'm just gonna go down, have my breakfast probably, and I have a friend who lives in Bangalore, so I'm gonna go meet her, obviously, which I won't vlog because I'm going to her place. I'll meet her and then I'll come back to the hotel, and I also need to click pictures of this outfit for today. So yeah, today's anyways pretty much chill because there's nothing to do. All our work, I mean our meeting and everything is done already. That was yesterday, and today we just have the day at our leisure. So I'm just gonna do everything that I want, and I'm even planning to go to the MG Road market in Bangalore because I've heard great things about that market. So I hope I get the time to go there. Though I have the time, I hope Nikhil comes with me because I don't want to go alone to the market. So So guys, we came down to click some of my pictures and Nikhil's pictures, and right now the time is 4:10. I know it's really late. I went out, met my friend and came back, and then Nikhil had woken up by then, so we took pictures near the pool side, and now I'm gonna go change and we're headed outside to probably have lunch and to actually go around places to shop at Bangalore. So I'm excited to shop. So the time right now is 4:45 and we are headed outside to have our lunch. I know it's late, but we decided to go out and eat something because right now I am damn hungry and so is Nikhil. So we decided to go out, eat something light, and then probably go to a market and get back, because tonight we are planning to leave and probably even I'll be leaving with Nikhil on the bike. Back to my room, and we ate at McDonald's and we were supposed to go out, but then I wasn't wearing a helmet, and here we didn't know that's not allowed to wear a helmet. At least I did not know. So we decided to just come back to the room because we're planning to leave early tonight for Mumbai, as I'm going on the bike like I told you guys. And also Nikhil needs to edit his video, so we thought let's just come. So I'm just gonna rest now, take a good nap before we can leave. It's time to say goodbye to this room. Now the time is 8:30 and we're checking out now because we're planning to leave from here around in 1.5 hours or 2 hours. So we decided that we'll check out of our rooms and maybe chill down in the restaurant, eat something and talk a bit and then leave, because I'm going by bike, so it's gonna be a long way back to Mumbai. So yeah, I'm just gonna miss this beautiful room. It was so comfy and cozy, and especially the balcony because it was the best part to me in my room. I just love chilling there, but never mind. I'll be coming back to Bangalore some other time, and that time I'll make sure that I can stay here again because this place was the best. So right now we checked out of our rooms and we are seated at the Polo Club restaurant in Oberoi, Bangalore itself. And since we don't want to eat that much because we already ate shitloads from McDonald's, so I'm having green tea with some lemon and honey, and Nikhil is having some black coffee. And
Black coffee.
just look at this restaurant, it's so nice. I wonder why we didn't have dinner or something here like yesterday.
No, we went to a nice restaurant. No?
Yeah, that's nice. The best part is that, I don't know if you can hear, there is a guy singing live, and this makes it feel so romantic. It's so nice. It just feels so good. It's finally time for us to leave from Bangalore, and I want to put an end to this vlog right here. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do leave your comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. And until my next video, bye bye, good night, take care, see you soon.